deal. But as of right now, we're taking the car home, which is cool with me. It kind of sucks, but it's gonna stay another day. So. All right, today's actually the day. S2000, a white S2000, is going to its new owner. We're just loading up the cars and getting ready to head on up. Got a 2-hour drive to drop this thing off. And then you're probably wondering, what about the red car? Red car sold on Tuesday. It's currently Saturday. So red car sold super quick, but this is going to a good home. Both cars are going to a good home, just this one I'm probably gonna have a better home with. So pretty exciting. I'm just gonna make the trip, and yeah, pretty tight.
I think you know the reason why. Oh.
Better than ever. The brake off?
Heck no, I'm not getting on that.
Bro, we just rode with the top down together.
That's true, but like I don't.
Everybody's got a bill. And everybody's gonna die. Everybody gotta live. I think you know the reason why. Yeah. Sometimes it's gonna get so good. But then again it get pretty rough. And you need to let me know when you're leaving, where you go. Can I come? Do you believe me or you close? Yeah. Even if you don't, that'll get you sprung. So I